It's the Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrina, and I'm so glad that you stopped by for today's video. In today's short but sweet video, I'm giving you some tips and tricks to keep your kitchen sparkly all year long. So tip number 1, clean your kitchens at the end of the evening. Whether you're hand washing or placing them in your dishwasher, it will save you time in the morning because you can sleep a little longer without rushing to get up to clean your kitchen. And there's nothing like waking up to a clean smelling kitchen. Because as we know, our kitchens are the hearts of our homes. Now, I have a love for Dawn dishwashing liquid and its power wash. Drop it down in the comments below and tell me, what is your favorite dishwashing liquid? To all of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say. Welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, then you know what to do. Come on and join my growing YouTube family. Here on my channel, I share inspiration and motivation for home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. So go ahead and click right now. I'm waiting on you to join the family. So you have to stay tuned all month long where I will be cleaning and decluttering my home, going from room to room, in cabinets, under chairs, resetting everything after the big holiday season. But this video also is my pre-grocery haul routine. That's right, I've done it in the past. I have never shown it to you, and I thought it would be helpful for my YouTube family. So step number 1 is to remove all items from your shelves, your drawers, and even from the door. Step number 2 is to purge any expired items. This also includes leftovers, because after 3 to 5 days, either you need to eat it, throw it away. Step number 3 is to meal prep with any items that are just about to expire. And I've made some of my best meals by putting some things together. Because remember, we're not only saving time, we're saving and not wasting money. Step number 4, wipe down shelves, drawers, and bins, whether you're using natural or disinfectant products. Step 5, replace your items, wiping down the bottles and containers as well with a damp cloth. And step number 6 is to wipe the outside of the fridge, all sides, and don't forget about the top of the fridge. And it's also a good time to pull the fridge out and sweep behind and under it as well. So my refrigerator is clean, but it's looking quite bare. So I'm going to sweep and mop and get ready to go to bed. But in the morning, I'm heading out to Walmart because I've got grocery shopping to do. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to see what I purchased and how I'm putting my refrigerator back in order. Stay tuned all month long as I continue to clean and declutter. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.